Fine, let us start working with the concept, that is a problem chapter fractions. This is the problem number 1. Let me solve for you. So here we are supposed to find the sum of the fraction, that is 4 by 3. They have given 3 fraction, that is 4 by 3, right, and 5 by 9 and 6 by 18. So we are supposed to find the sum of this, right? So let me go with this: 4 by 3 plus 5 by 9 plus 6 by 18. Now, so observe the denominator. The denominators are different here. So what I can do now, I will take a LCM for 3, 9 and 18. So 3, 9 and 18, I will take a LCM here. Let me start here. So go with the 3 1s are 3 3s are 3 6 are 18. Again go with this, again 3 I will go. So 1 I can't divide, so 1 I will keep it as it is. 3 1s are 3 2s are. Further division is not possible. So the LCM for this 3 9 18 is 3 into 3 into 2. So 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. 18 is the LCM. Now we need to find the sum. Now 18 you must divide by 3. That is 18 divided by 3 is 6. 6 into 4 plus 9, you are supposed to divide 18 by 9, that is 2 into 5 plus 18 divided by 18, that is 1 1 into 6. Now multiply it, that is 6 4s are 24 plus 5 2s are 10 plus 6 1s are 6, that divided by 18. Now 24 plus 10 is 34, 34 plus 6 40. This will become 40 by 18. So further simplification is possible, you must simplify it. Now I can divide both the numerator and denominator is divisible by 2, right? 2 2s are, that is 20s are, 2 9s are. Answer is 20 by 9, right? Option D is the right one.